You are attending computer coding class.
Please subscribe this channel and press notification bell below the video.
Welcome. Today our program is how to sort a list of values using series construct of Python pandas. So first of all we are importing our Python pandas, then just create a list. A list is a group of, or we can say collection of values, and first we create list. Then we will convert this list into a series. A series is a one-dimensional array with label or index. So we can say index list is called series, and series can hold any type of data. Here SR is a series we are creating by using series function ed.series. This will create series. Just print a list and series. Then you will come to know what is the difference between a simple list and series. Now we are running the program. You can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are indexed or label of our series values. So series is a indexed or labeled list. Series can hold any type of data. Now we will sort this series first in ascending order. By default it is sorted in ascending. Here we are using a function sort underscore values and then parentheses opening and closing. Now we are sorting this series in descending order, that is the DSR. So DSR equal to SR dot sort underscore value. Now in parentheses we will write ascending equal to false, so that it will print our series in descending order. Now we will print both series ascending sorted and descending sorted. Now we will run the program. You can find here our list is sorted in both ascending order and second descending order using series. Here we can also get label. Thank you and goodbye.